Welcome to welcome to another social media countdown, Burritos. Okay, what Beryl tell them say? Come on now, drop it. The Beryl anthem this, yeah. Yeah. All right. Nasty Beryl. Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another Monday social media countdown. We're getting a top 10. Wanna see me play a little nasty song for Nasty Beryl. Come I never dare call her Dutty Beryl because the name already done close to my name already and Jesus Christ. I don't want all of them frustration and destruction into my family. Alright? And so we have one of things to talk about. We still have some Berrick. Do you know what Berrick? You know what, Derek? What can really go so? I have a lot of Beryl topics still to talk about, and of course the whole Azan Backlash. So let's get into it right now.
The dirty, the berry, the juicy, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo? Just tune in, zine.
Number 10, St. Elizabeth was. Okay, Burritos know. Let me tell you, say, Beryl properly battered Jamaica and, you know, specifically the parishes on the way you call it, the western side. So St. Elizabeth, oh gosh. I have to just say I'm very fortunate to have been in Kingston and St. Andrew where it seems as if we were really spared because I never really have no light being affected and you know they still have water, and so I'm very grateful for that. But some of the other parishes didn't fare as well. And so, you know, we're gonna talk about St. Elizabeth, and I saw this video that was recorded by someone at Monroe College in St. Elizabeth, of course. And when me tell you how the storm did a storm, take a look. No. Me no want none of that. Like me, I tell you, that is some scary thing. I saw someone on social media, you know, said that the way how the breeze that blow so hard, the woman mango tree or ackee tree dropped down in front of her yard gate, and she did not even hear it to how the Hurricane Beryl did a go on. And so that is some scary stuff. And so a lot of people online, of course, that talk about say, Hurricane Beryl now really go on with nothing, it fenke, and them go prepare for nothing. But let's just say it better you be safe than sorry, because look for St. Elizabeth, man. And so, you know, and this particular family that I'm about to show you guys was definitely hit. So much so to the point where they had to find refuge in a them closet. Watch.
I'm looking at about $5 million worth of damage. I can't manage it on my own. I need some help. Please help us.
We were inside of the house during the hurricane, and my wife and I, we were able to, you know, stock ourselves away, if I could use that word, in a closet, maybe about 3x4 closet, until the neighbor. Well, when there was that little calm in the storm, my neighbor came and got us.
Oh yeah, I absolutely love what the couple said, is that they are lucky that they're still alive, because you know all of these material things can be regained, but you cannot regain your life, well, unless you are Jesus Christ. But at the end of the day, it's just best to be able to find some place where you can keep yourself safe so you can see your loved ones another day. And so, Burritos, for all of you guys who took the precautionary methods to make sure it's in a safeguard and things and protect your life, big uno up. Hopefully uno still check in on your loved ones, because I'm hearing that there are still people who are unable to get like cellular service. And so, you know, my prayers are for those ones who are, you know, I wonder and ascertain about their loved ones' whereabouts. But Berry does just let me know, like, how badly are things in St. Elizabeth, if that's where you live. Sound the Beryl mayhem, it seems that this is a moment where people are putting away their political sides. So, Rhoda Crawford, we not need to go, no, Rhoda Crawford. Because by now, Rhoda Crawford is a household name. Whether she did want to be a household name for politics, but right now, because I mix up and bangarang, Rhoda Crawford is a household name, and of course she is a part of the Jamaica Labour Party. And so, you know, in the relief efforts, she was able to share some of the funds with her political opponent, Donovan Mitchell, to provide some of the members in the constituency some relief at this time. Just watch.
Can be redeemed, they are redeemable at any super place.
Okay.
Yes. Alright? So, this is for the Mandible Division, so you can give it to Mr. Oliphant. This is the Royal Flat Division. This is the Knappatrick Division and the Belfield Division.
What are you coming out here for? No, it's you know.
Mayor, you're being recorded.
No, but you know, I'm supposed to get more than the others, you know.
No man, so that's 800,000. You know, the mayor reached out to me just before the hurricane, and he said, you know, he would appreciate some food bags. And I thought about it, and I told him I would have gotten back to him. And so I'm presenting him with 800,000, only 200 for him. He's to give 600, 200 each to the other councillors. We want to move around quickly and try to bring some relief to the people. And this is a show of unity that in disaster don't wear green or orange. And so as political leaders in the parish, we are standing together to bring normality back to the constituency as quickly as possible.
Yes, and you know, I just want to state it clear that it is not for the greedy.
Yes.
It is for the needy, it's for persons who need the assistance, because you're going to hear persons keep coming and say that you get food vouchers to give everybody. It's for the needy. There are some persons, even today, we had to help an old lady who her house is down and she wanted food. So this is for those type of people.
Yes.
The other persons who can get along, just wait until the other persons who really, really need it get it.
That is it. That is it. This is the type of unity that we want to see from more political representatives, because in a time like this of tragedy, devastation, you don't want a little partisan stuff them where you have to focus on the people them where you want to focus on and you are take majority of the share. We have to help each and everyone, because you cannot see color at this time, because all of we are bleed the same red blood. Okay, so big up Rhoda Crawford, and boy, like Jesus Christ, man, Rhoda, yeah man, do more of this. We need a little good PR, because Jaja, the last couple months it's been woo. Let's come to the next number. Number 8, Noah, cheers, mid 200 meter. All right, now, so Noah Lyles, the fastest man alive. Boy, oh boy, according to American PR, and how they are pushing that entire thing like, Jesus Christ, where do they? Them not rest, you know? They do not rest. If you left it to America, they will Christopher Columbus the entire world and how we know it, okay? All right, and so I have to go and say that, you know, recently we had the national trials and Noah Lyles' girlfriend, Janelle Bromfield, amazing 400-meter sprinter, she qualified to go to the Olympic Games in Paris. And so, you know, say a big excitement because now Noah qualified, she qualified, and Noah is over the moon. Take a look.
That'd be so crazy.
We go to the Olympics. I win every race. You win every race. We come back. The most winningest couple. That's crazy.
It's crazy.
The whole movie.
Movie.
They would make a movie based off of our 1 year. See that, right?
I see that, baby.
You can see that, right? You see what you picking up what I'm putting down, right? All right, just making sure.
I'm picking up what you're putting down.
All right, don't drop it.
I won't drop it.
You ain't got butter.
I got the vision.
You got the vision?
I got the vision.
You ready to make it happen?
Yeah, I'm ready to make it happen. I want to be the most we gonna be the most winningest couple out there.
Straight up.
Yeah, you know, if she love him, we have to just go support her, and I love, because, you know, Janelle is a lovely girl, and I'm very excited to see her on the track again, because for some while now, a lot of her supporters were wondering, is she just going to work off of the title of being Noah Lyles' girlfriend? But she's showing us that she's back in business and definitely going to focus on her individuality and her own brand. So Noah, we are root for your girl as well, okay? So we can't wait for the Olympic Games in Paris. Oh. Number 7, Mama Rub Down. All right, me raft. Oh wow. Let me tell you, you see this rafting thing, I feel like it need to go down, you know. I don't know if it's going to make it out at 2024. Because the people have moved from plastic bag to the rent-a-dry thing, and now it have become like, you know, sugar mama, young boy, how Stella got her groove back, music, a creepiness. We don't know where it's going to go to at the next stage. And so, this woman, you know, she must have seen the rafting and so her going in Jamaica. So she decided to get her little groove thing back. And the people, they never do a better thing than to send her with one young boy. Like this, you look like he never passed 22 years old. And he got he got a task. And that task was to rub down sugar mama. Take a look.
This is life, people. I'm living my life. I work very hard in America. And look at my young guy, too.
One young guy.
Rub down at the coochie area, sir. Let's see you rubbing down there. You know, get down there. Get right down there. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. You enjoying rubbing down, Grandma?
You know, see, you're not a grandma. Oh, don't.
Okay, thank you.
Oh wow. No. I saw somebody on Twitter and the person say, if them say them job come to, them would just turn trapper. Just go trap the line down, because when they reach them levels, they might as well. Me never like her laugh. Her laugh sound, you know, them have them little evil woman there, the little witch, in one of them Disney show there. That little, like she come out, she one of the witch them from Macbeth. Me just never like that, man. Something about that, like, you know, so she not have no other man to touch her, you know, but when she come to Jamaica, she can take her little dollars and cents and make this young youth now be forced. And the way how she said down into her coochie ear right now, and the woman, yeah man, she sound like she actually named Beryl. She is the Beryl. Actually bring the hurricane come right there, so that is a Beryl. A travesty, a devastation, a piece of crosses. Like, me never like how she talk to the youth. Some man go down in the crotch. That was very diddy. That was some dumb diddy. Did it type of talking. Okay, and so for that, I forgot drop this, because this I need to go listen to again. Yeah, man, I you that. Want the boy for rub you down. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, nobody now match a freak. Go on right back to the United States of A, okay? All right. Young man, boy. Big up yourself, you know, because, yeah, man, you took one for the entire Jamaican team. All right. Number 6, no light memes. JPS. All right, now, so Beryl does. What do you know, so Jamaican people, we love our social media, and in order to be on social media, we have to have the current, we have to have the light, and we love to eat food and, you know, buy the little things and eat up in the microwave, and in order to do that, we have to go have electricity. We want to go watch our favorite TV show them, and we need electricity. We want our phone to have charge, and for that, we need electricity. So how do you think we were faring? Not very well. Just take a look at some of these videos to see how Jamaican people were trying to get by without the current.
Jody, how are you been there?
Nothing.
No.
Dog food may I cook up.
Yeah, man, the dog food smell good. Smell and the food you cook for yourself.
Where's that?
It's already.
What's already? And the old food that may I give the dog them?
No, me a dog today. It's a wet dog. I survived the storm. Like me surf it through. So look now anything today. But Jamaica now fight against me today. Look now anything. Man, a hungry dog. Say that, Jody. Roof. So like the food, no. But this is the reach of my life, pretty up.
I don't know where I thought about later. The rain will come back.
Don't worry yourself, I'm waterproof. I'm not a plastic I work with this stuff. This storm has passed, Jody. Pass the food now. You want to kill everyone and join the people?
Who kill me a road? The big people are drawing on my gate to come out.
That is just the beginning. Try to give me nothing feet this evening and see.
Bye.
Yeah, man, I'm not going to wait. Blood, it's someone done?
I don't have nothing. No, the breeze or the food.
Oh, yeah, man, what you say? You blow it back.
Bye.
No, man, like, you know, I actually agree with the father there. Like, there are times when you see people that cook dog food, and the dog food literally smell good like you that have it. Like, I've seen that before. With my mother cook ton can meal, I tell you, like, I would have, wait. I actually did eat it. I did actually eat the dog food. Now that I remember it, I actually eat the dog food. It tastes good. That's all I can say. And as for, you know, the whole living without the current, let me just say this, you get me? If you don't have current, you cannot stay current. Look at that. Look at that. If you don't have current, you cannot stay current. Not for you don't know them little English language, something they know. You don't know how to take word and use it up. This minute it have noun, this minute it have verb, this minute it have the meaning there, the other minute it have the meaning there. You don't know same letters, different context. Come on, man. Come on, man. They got the bread people them. Yeah, man. The people them know the vowel them. Yeah, man. The people them know the I, E, I, O, U. All right. Come on, man. The people them know the element of P and know say different letters them and not just one sound. Come on, man. The people them know oxymoron. The people them know what you call it, poetry. Yes, man. The people who know them like a something there. Come on, man. We know puns, similes. Come on, man. Oxymorons. Come on, man. Jesus PM. Oh, Lord. All right. That is it. All right. Just went off on a whole entire thing. All right. Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
A video of this. You said Grayson. Oh my God. Oh.
Number 5, Beryl risk make. What's that? Hey, we are pressing along because we are what? Saints, yeah man, press along Saints, alright. Alright, so number 5, we're talking about all of the Beryl risk. So, you know, so some time ago, when they talk about well, not some time ago, the last countdown, I spoke about that young man who actually did play football and run for the ball, and he ended up going to Angola, and the floodwaters took him away. And up until now, at news time, big up TVJ News, they can't find him. They cannot find him, and so many people are saying that it is his fault. And I'm just still sad about the entire situation, because there's no loss of life that should be celebrated. It's indeed sad, right? But there are cautionary tales and precautionary methods that they could have definitely been in place. But it looked like, say, it wasn't this young man alone that was reckless during Beryl, because while I'm, walking along the TikTok streets, I came across this video with a young man who was very much celebrating Jamaican pride from the comfort of his home with pool in the midst of Beryl. Take a look.
Bag of herb, dog.
Oh, okay. That's what we're doing during Beryl. That is what we're doing during Beryl. You see all the youth there? Him should have did there. I rubbed down the woman crutches pan the raft. Like I should have him, not the other one. Him. That is where you should have made that boy punishment be. Make him go down there, find back the same woman who feel like named Beryl, and make him go rub out and crease out our crotcheral regions. Yeah man, that is it, because that won't definitely not be an enjoymentical experience for him. Look at that, so may I bring back in the word? Alright, and so we have another video now to talk about the heights of another set of carelessness that took place during Beryl, and this come from one you know, I don't know how him friend managed to go boots him up, for go jump down into some sort of ditch. He go, I don't know him did that go for, but just watch and see how it unfolded. Watch.
See there, come down. See there, friend. Yo! Go behind it!
You know what? I am absolutely lost for words. Like, this is exactly how that young, the 20-year-old did end up get taken away by floodwaters in an Arnett Gardens. And so for kind of see this video again and the way the people in the background did a laugh, let me just tell you this, like, come on, come here. Come here. Young people and people who are just young and reckless at heart. Come on, man. Like, we're not saying we're not having fun and vibes and all of these little things, but no limit. And you see, if you are the friend, you need a one person in the friend group where I got talk like a sense, but also have some strength for those tell us, say, yo, Tanya, so we not do this. You need that one person in the group, but everybody can boots you up for go jump down in the ocean, in the middle of a storm, and then if nothing happen to you, none of them can swim. And all them are going to do a like, boy, oh boy, I don't know why I'm going to do that, you know, because them now go for themselves. So why them boots you? It's either una for high school musical. If you not go careless and reckless, do like high school musical, because we would all be in this together. Okay? That's what you need for go do. High school musical style. All or nothing. Okay? Thank you. Can you shoot? Oh, we need to stop that, you know, Jaja. Alright. Just listen. Come on, man. Think. Number 4, Shenseea gives back Mirror Mish. Okay? Alright, so Shenseea, you know, that Shenseea, international pop artist, yeah, I don't know if she really want people to say she dance, so she can't allow that, so we have to, yeah, so Shenseea, international pop artist, recently visited the Jamaican shores, okay, alright, you know, amidst the entire Beryl saga. And, you know, of course, she heard about the devastation that occurred in St. Elizabeth, and she wanted to give back to the people there and provide some relief efforts of her own. And so, of course, she was able to, you know, get the numbers and the strength and the support of Ramesh Entertainment to get some items for the needy in the parish. And yeah, man, just watch and see how the entire organization went.
We're loading up the truck to come to St. Elizabeth tomorrow. I come help who we can help, okay? Ramesh, what we gotta do tomorrow?
People, we're outside. We are set up and we have a team and everybody we are going to send. You understand? We have chapalin, we have ply, we have load of the thing them, we have rake, we have cutlass, we have boots, we have load of the ply them now, we have the food thing them. One help. We just have help how we can help. You understand?
St. Elizabeth, I'm coming back. Some snacks for the kids and some tin food pack up since like na debout, you know. Bully beef. Where mackerel? What the sardine? What the sachets?
Next, this yourself.
Guys, we are at
Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth.
We're giving out our final packages now.
Yeah.
We're about to head to the square soon.
There you go. Hi. Living because never sleeping, I sick. Girl, I love you today. Thank you. Favorite. Hi, Shen. Hi. Hi. Sing
Of course, thank you so much for having us. Bye, baby now. Bye.
You were there, wait for grandma, you know?
I'm there now. Where you want?
Jack Shack. Yeah, you see it naturally doing up. Go you see it.
Thank you.
Have life. Nothing beats life.
What does it need? I'm to the room. Gone. Here. They want two, one for she and one for him. I'm going to give you some fly. Okay.
Excellent initiative, Shenseea. You know, I love it. I love to see when the dancehall artists them do stuff like this, like that. Let me just say this. Shenseea for MP. North, East, West, South, St. Elizabeth. That is it. That's the type of support that we need, right? And the only thing would have made this better is if Spice would have gone on there as well, and she can team up with Shenseea and give back in the same type of way that Rhoda Crawford and Donovan Mitchell was able to come together and provide relief efforts. So Spice, when you get your stuff them, because I know you didn't have your little things ready for a giveaway, some of the 285 sales them also to Jamaica. Some of you probably watch this now and say, Lord of mercy, look how Shenseea go first me. But don't make that stop you. Do it because you know it in your heart as well. But bring Shenseea with you and show that we can have unity and true unity at this time. And we don't need the Zeus network for people to check so they can come together, all right? So that's what I want. Peace and love in schools. Say it with me. Come on, let there be peace on earth. I don't know it. I've been singing it all year. And let it begin with me. With every breath I take. Na, 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 na. Yeah, man, that's it. I don't know the rest. Well, congrats, Shenseea. Holland bamboo drop down. Okay. All right. So, I'm going to say that the St. Elizabeth get rock. Every little way them go, then get rocked. Like, come on, if them there play the game there, them not get no papers and scissors. I just source of rackings alone, them I get. That is just unfortunate for St. Elizabeth. And one of the way you call it, the staples of the parish as well is, of course, Holland Bamboo. Because, yesterday Bamboo, them, I did a little prayer worship song when they reach out and touch the Lord. Yeah, man, them did that reach out and try to touch each other. I have the other song I go so. Where the song I go so again? Where you go so? And sitting like over, I can't remember, I don't know what little, you know one little something I go so. We're like, blood is what is, what is love? Oh yeah, the love, yeah. It's you go. Jesus' love is a bubbling over. Jesus' love is a bubbling over. Jesus' love is a bubbling over. Hallelujah. Boom, yo. Oh, it go again. Love is a bubbling over. Love is a bubbling over. Love is a bubbling over. Hallelujah. Oh, wow, Jesus. I never saw the song didn't go about. I never saw it didn't go about. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I did that on the spot, okay? They call it one spot media. All right, and so that's what happened to Holland Bamboo. So for those of you who never familiar, let me just go refresh on the memory and show on Holland Bamboo before and what it looks like now. A horror. And go back to their natural state, hopefully, because another first is, but like, it just kind of sad and really is a testament to just the power of a hurricane, and really for us to just once again celebrate the fact that the eye never really make a direct impact on the island. Because if that thing were ever a category 5 hurricane, if that thing did ever go right through the country, trust me, I'll know we wouldn't even be able to do the video here right now, because the country would have been wrecked, fully wrecked. That's all me have to say. So burritos, boy oh boy, like let me just be grateful. Say we never really get anything worse than this. All right, Jaja. Number 2, JPS cussing. Me like Bill. All right, now, so let me just tell you this. You know, at the top of the countdown, we talk about the fact that many Jamaicans are still without electricity. And me really one of them. Boy, me have to mention that, and I really feel privileged. Like, me very grateful. If me never grateful for nothing yet, me have to thank God for whatever things me able to get away with in the midst of this storm. Truly grateful, right? And so, many people have been cussing about the JPS taking so long to put back them electricity, and people are taking to social media to vent and air out their frustrations, including this lady who make it known say JPS could have definitely do better and need to put some emphasis on the people in St. Elizabeth.
Hello, my gentle people. Now, I don't know anytime Elizabeth come, I don't know say I cuss me, I come cuss. Because I'm from St. Elizabeth, okay? I was born and raised there. That's why I'm so passionate about this. Because really and truly, my mom is on social media, so they can't curse. Really and truly, a foolishness are going on, isn't it? Make we all agree, right? JPS, if we never come on social media and say, good on a same thing, or no would reach today, so cut the shit. Then I make it look like, say, oh, we're everywhere working, da-da-da-da-da. Andrew Holness was the first person to say that St. Elizabeth suffered the most devastating blow. But Mr. Holness, whatever I'm on him, where is the support or the relief for St. Elizabeth? I don't care about the government. Really and truly, PNP or JLP, I do not care. I am for the Jamaican people because at the end of the day, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to treat them like shit. If I'm in a tourist area, you know, get no farmer care.
Yeah, man, and let me just go and tell you is that the people have never met that girl rest because let's just say this like, I don't know, but many are saying it seems like she come from abroad and she's just talking about what she thinks she knows about what is present in the country. And when I was said it's like, listen, me understand how we focus on JPS and all of these things because for the light bill and all of them something there. But to be honest, like we can't expect a big hurricane for come and devastate the island like that, and then the next day everybody just have electricity. Me not think it works so because even in the big country of United States, they have had devastation similar to this, and it took them some time for everybody to get back proper electricity as well as proper water. And so you have to kind of, but me get it, but come on. All right, and another social media user applied the pressure to the Jamaica Public Service, and she said they might make way too much money for not have enough staff members to make we get back light immediately.
Why am I seeing where the government is saying that, okay, JPS has said that it might take them 2 weeks to really fully go underground and get the job done so that Jamaicans can have back power. So the government is now saying that that's a little bit lengthy. 2 weeks is a little bit long. So we might have to assist you guys with getting outside help to come in to help you guys to be underground to get the job done. JPS, you're telling me what that translates to me is that you guys don't have the resources needed. A company like you that earns what you earn, why is it that you don't have the resources to do what needs to be done in a timely manner for the Jamaican people to have back power? So you mean for telling me, say, with all the money that JPS makes from the Jamaican people, with all the money that JPS earns from the Jamaican people, you're telling me that you guys were not prepared for a natural disaster such as Beryl? My light bill alone as a single person household with a fan, a TV, a microwave, and a fridge and a washing machine is $15,000 monthly. And you guys don't have enough resources to prepare for a natural disaster? Is it that you lack employees? There are so many Jamaican men here. There are so many young men here who need jobs. Train more people. Hire more people so that on the ground, in the case of a natural disaster, you have enough of who you need. Or you don't have enough trucks. Why? You are earning more than enough JPS to have a ton of trucks, to have more than enough trucks island-wide. Where's the money going? Where's the money going that you are getting from the Jamaican people for their light bills? Because my light bill alone, $15,000 every month, and then there's millions of me. There's millions of me who are paying 2, 3, 4, 5 times what I'm paying, and you guys don't have enough resources? That is so disappointing. You guys do not have enough resources? Are you serious? If anybody have enough resources to do their jobs, it should be you. It should be you. I'm sorry, but this is really, really, really shameful. Really, really shameful. And it's the reason why you guys need a competitive market, because when there is no competition, this is how entities behave. This is how entities behave. I'm not saying that the damage on the road or to the light wires aren't extensive. Don't get me wrong. I am not saying that. What I'm saying is that JPS, 1, they should have been prepared. 2, they should have what they need, and the government shouldn't need to hire outside help to help them to do their job. And there's no way we should be told that they're gonna need 2 weeks to give Jamaica back power. Like, where is the money going?
You know what? Let me just say this. Like, I can't believe when I make me actually I defend JPS, but like, I get it. Me get it. Like, sure, them probably could have employed a whole heap of people and probably have them just on standby, just on reserve, just in case of emergency situations like this. But I don't really think them they're gonna do that. And at the end of the day, I'm like, I actually saw relief efforts on social media in terms of trying to actually assess the situation like happening the day after and 2 days after. And so, me not really think that is very slow. Like, but once again, me know the 2 weeks, it must be very alarming for many people. And there are a lot of people who I feel like them not understand what a hurricane does and what it could do. And that this was like, if we did probably get the entire eye, it is very likely that we could not have light for about several weeks. But I think because a lot of us have never really endured and have been forced to live without certain comforts for quite a while, I think we don't really we can't sustain this comfort for too long. And I think that is sad. And we have to remember that these people are human beings. They're not robots yet. These are actually people. I have family members who work with the JPS. And like them have to take time from them own family as well to be out there and make sure that other people put their own lives as risk to ensure that other people are able to get back electricity. So you still have to kind of balance it with it. But I as I said, maybe they can do more. And the JPS, them seem as if them are listening, because them have been post up more on social media to inform the public, so people at least can feel a sense of comfort knowing that their needs are being heard. So yeah, look on this.
My name is Rajiv Palmer, lineman from St. Mary. We're here in community of Upton, trying to do some repairs on some power lines. During this time of the hurricane season, we don't really have any days off. We just work from morning until we can't go any further. Currently, none of my co-workers don't have any light at home. The hardest part about working during this time, in my opinion, is when the customers come and keep asking you when the light is gonna be back, and you can't give them a definite answer, you know.
All right, so that's it, readers. Like, just let me know, are you understanding, of JPS, or are you with the social media users who said JPS needs to do better and make sure so the people them get back their electricity in a very timely manner? Sound off below. And number one goes to Azan Backlash. Wow. Why I hate clapping for things when I really so great. All right. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the entire Azan Backlash. And what are you talking about? Yeah, man. I don't know, Azan are one of the big names. We'll talk about the 21 families in Jamaica. Yeah, man. The Azans are one of them names that when you hear it, you just think wealth and generational wealth. You think things, you think assets, you think liabilities, you think all of them, something that stocks, bonds, anything pertaining to money. That is what you think when you hear the name Azan, right? And so, let's just say, so there I was minding my business when all of a sudden I saw this video emerge on TikTok and people were just retweeting it, requoting it, and a lot of think pieces came. So I got curious now. I mean, I say, why? What could all of this confusion and mayhem be about? When me go look, it was this video that was posted from someone by the name of Sam Azan, and she was kind of talking about a little bit of what happened with Beryl. Watch for yourself. Oh my God, okay. I'm rich, not poor. I'm rich, not poor. I can leave you whores. Yeah, okay. Yeah, man. That is what the Azans basically did. I say, like, that must be nice. That must be nice. Like, them never want in a Jamaica with the whole bangarang and the devastation of Hurricane Beryl. For they are saying, if you continue to give temporary solution to the poorest of the poor, the poorest of the... No man, them left Jamaica. Them left Jamaica so they could cock up them foot in a comfort, safety with light, water, everything at their disposal. Okay, and that is honestly so real to belong. Yeah, man, that's so real. So real. And so people never like it because remember, you see that last name. And you know what kill me is when, like, me don't really mind the little video, come understand rich people are rich people, and rich people, them flex, them look away, say, them are going to show off. But I think at the caption back sitting, us coming back to Jamaica after abandoning Jesus Christ, my Lord of mercy, that is some colonizer word. You can't say abandon. Because when you hear that now, you think white people, second-class citizen, Jesus, third world country. Yeah, it just don't look good for the optics. Lord of mercy now. Abandoning it for the hurricane. And then acting, Lord of mercy now, acting like it never do nothing to the country. So now you're putting it on a performance now, like you come back like, oh my God, are you without proper running water? Are you without electricity? I cannot relate. Oh, you poor people, sick me. Why didn't you do what I do? If you had a plane, why didn't you take it? But you don't. That's a way to give to the people that we watch. That many people jump out and say, know what they are going to do? They need to know, go and, what you call it now? What the word name when you want for black one brand? What the word name? Gang up on, Not black, on a blacklist when you want for, what the word name? You have the word them man where like you not ban them but you stop use them. You kind of put them pampas for sure, for make them pocket feel it. And what the word name? Boycott, thank you. Yes man, thank you. To the Burritos on the live, coming up on live on TikTok now, and the TikTok people them came through a while ago. Big up yourself, Alexis, right? So, boycott. They wanted to go and boycott Azan Supermarket. How they know the Azans them, that's what they're in charge of. They wanted to go and Azan Supermarket? And a supermarket, the Azans, where they sell the little thing, yes, what the name? Yes, the Azan store where sell like curtain and all kind of like everyday household items. They want to go and boycott the brand. And let me just read you some of the comments them because people never did like it at all. Some of the comments that were on social media, people were saying things such as, Jesus Christ, this girl just bring down the whole entire family because of this entire saga. Let me just go and see if we can just get to the stuff them quick and fast. So somebody said uptown people act like Uptown people, let me just read it. Uptown people act like people hate them because of jealousy. The racism, the colorism, the absolute lack of empathy for anyone who doesn't look or speak a certain way, the classism and the conservative political takes. Oh gee, it's a mystery, I guess. LMAO. Another person said, who can't afford to run will, the Bujubantan ratted. Who can afford to run will run, but what about those who can't? They will have to stay. Boy, in the words of Buju. And, man, that is... So let me just go and tell you this now. The Azans, them, I don't think them they're going to have this. This was not a good PR move because people began to look on PR page and then they went on the Azan brand page and started to leave comments talking about boycotting and a cuss them off and a cuss she off, and it just got to this high. Eventually, it looked like Sam did get pulled into a meeting and one intervention was had because she came back to social media and delivered this apology. Take a look.
Dear people of Jamaica, my name is Samantha Azan, I'm 16 years old, and I recently uploaded a TikTok that was so insensitive, hurtful, and disrespectful. I truly am sorry from the bottom of my heart, and I want to apologize for my actions and words and the pain that they have caused. I live in Florida, and I was just in Jamaica for summer. I also want to make it clear that my family is not affiliated with any of the Azan businesses in Jamaica or anywhere else. I realized that the video was so thoughtless, not knowing the consequences or impacts that my words and actions could cause. For that, I am so sorry. This situation has really taught me an important lesson about the power of words and the importance of respect. I truly am committed to learn from this mistake, and I will educate myself and make sure it never happens again. I really hope you guys can forgive me, and I want you to know that I truly am sorry, and I meant every single thing I said in this video.
Oh God, that apology, I don't know how I feel about it. She definitely said that she is not really associated. I mean, I understand, because two things, she said something about she not really connected to the actual Azans we know here. And I'm like, really? Really? Like there is, the last name is not very common, like I understand, so not because you have the same last name means, related, but like, you know, man, the way she try for distance, me not so sure. Me not so sure. I have to find a way look at the detectives them for really to confirm that. But I know the actual Azans them must take contact her because they're in them look uptown rich people world, you know, everybody know everybody. So either way, she connected enough for them to go pull fair people them and make sure go and go deliver the apology on behalf of the Azans where we know the brand. And let me just go and say this. You see this thing called social media, and especially when you are wealthy, you have to understand optics and how things can come across. And to whom much is given, a lot is also expected. And I like when you have families where the parents them rich, but they make sure teach the kids them and say, yo, this is how people are going to view you and this is how you're going to come across. So you have to walk around and exist in a particular way. You cannot move like you have an ear to you and communicate in a way where it seems as if you're looking down on others. And it looked like that lesson never they pass on to this young lady. And she makes sure say at the beginning of her apology, she makes sure she jump out and tell the people that she is just 16 years old. She played that age card. I mean, you know, somebody write that fair, because it look like she did read off on teleprompter or something like that. But she tried to emote, and she young, and some don't really want to beat her too bad. But I feel like at this time, she need to get a little punishment. Send her to St. Elizabeth. Make sure go down there with the team, them for help her a little something, so she can actually see the devastation. Make them go give back. Make them go and actually give back, use some of their wealth and resources as a punishment. Like, that's where if me I did like the parent or something like that, I feel like that would be a suitable punishment so she can actually understand her privilege and see what the lives of people who are affected, what it really looks like on the ground, and so she can remove the little air there of superiority and privilege, right? And let me go read some of the comments on social media. So somebody said, Miki Dal said, the only apology us Jamaicans should accept is them physically going to St. Elizabeth and other affected parishes and using their many resources to help. While they're at it, invite their rich construction friends to help rebuild and renovate homes that have been destroyed. Another person also shared that the Azan Super Center turned off the option to comment on their stuff over Instagram. Another one said, oh, this PR cleanup was swift. When I checked her profile 5 hours ago, there were tons of videos about her being Jamaican and she had Jamaican in her bio. Now those videos are deleted, removed it from her bio, and now she's just an American visiting for the summer. Okay, so some PR optics and things are going right now, and we can't really blame the Azams them for doing that because they're trying to protect for them brand as well. And this is all because of Sam doing this very insensitive and very tone-deaf video. All right, and so that's my 2 cents in a Beryl. Let me know, what do you have to say? What would you have done if Sam was your relative? How would you have, punished her or tried to teach her a lesson in this situation? Sound off below. Well, that is it, Beryl. We've come to the end of yet another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. It's a Monday. Make sure you like it, comment, share, and you subscribe. We're at the 300,000 mark, but that doesn't mean you still can't encourage your friends, your family members, your matey, your bunununos, and all of those mentioned earlier to comment, to subscribe to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel. Remember to check out Grand Palladium. They are my official sponsor for the Dutty Berry Social Media Countdown in its 10th anniversary, so we have to go and big them up. Follow me on my social media at Dutty Berry Show, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time. Ta-ta!
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.